is to educate through technology.
Hello everybody, good morning. It's Mark for Future here. I'm teacher Matthew, and our primary 1 and primary 2 students are on their way for a field trip in Gomuang to see the Royal Thai Air Force. It's going to be an amazing day. We've got a tour booked. We're going to see a cool drone show and many more things, including virtual reality and flight simulators as well. So we're very excited. Are you guys excited? Yeah, I think we're ready. I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye.
What the students see through virtual reality is we can code it and load it on Lego and iPad electronically in our primary endeavor.
So we've just arrived at the Thai Royal Air Force Museum here with all the students. I'm very excited. Are you guys ready? Okay, we're ready, so let's start the tour. Let's go.
We know that mark for future rules, and in this primary school, when we groove, we improve. Yeah, when we groove, we improve. 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 Our primary philosophy is to educate through technology. We're a bilingual primary school, and our science lessons rule. And it's robotics and engineering that makes us move. With the best educational tools, we know that mark the future rules. And in this primary school, where we groove, we improve. What the students see through virtual reality is we can code it and load it on Lego and iPad electronically in our primary endeavor. We can all learn together, and it's maths and music production that makes us move with the best educational tools.